Looking to update your Facebook page with your current city information. Let's walk through the steps to guide you on how to add your current city to your Facebook page. To begin, open the Facebook app on your device and log into your account to access your profile. Next, tap on the menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines, to access the menu options. Scroll down and tap on Pages to navigate to the page settings. Now, switch to the specific page you want to update by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Select the desired page from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the page, tap on your page's profile picture to access the page settings. To edit the page information, tap on the Edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down the page settings until you find Edit Your About Info option at the bottom. Tap on it to proceed. Under the Places Lived section, tap on Add Current City to input your current city information. Enter the name of your current city in the provided field. To save the changes, tap on the Save button located at the bottom of the screen. By following these simple steps, you can easily add your current city information to your Facebook page. Keep your profile updated with relevant details and let your audience know more about your current location.